Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by gathering essential documents: GSD, FSI, PAN, bank details, and clear menu files. Once done, register business email and phone to keep platform messages separate. Next, choose single versus multi-outlet onboarding and prepare high-res photos and menu prices. You initiate partner sign-up on both platforms simultaneously so timelines overlap. This shortens wait time. Make sure to assign a point person to track application ID and verify contact details immediately to avoid delays. You fill out sign-up forms on Zomato and Swiggy with consistent legal and banking details. Inconsistencies cause rejections. Once done, book the onboarding call and gather POS credentials or API access info if integrating orders directly. You upload menus with item codes, prices, prep time, and packing instructions. This reduces cancellations. During integration, test 1-2 dummy orders and verify order routing to kitchen printers or tablets. Make sure to confirm tax and commission fields to match your accounting. You launch softly. Limit menu items and operating hours to control volume and collect feedback. Once done, monitor order flow, delivery times, and ratings for 48-72 hours and adjust prep schedules. You train staff on acceptance, packing, and refund policies so mistakes drop quickly. If problems arise, first verify uploaded documents and menu sync, then retest dummy orders. If still unresolved, escalate via partner support using your application ID and clear screenshots. Persistence usually forces faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.